Yes.
Okay, stop. Hi, Rahul.
Hi, sir.
So you are starting the first demo for Terraform today?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
yes.
please go ahead.
Terraform. Yes. This is a demo on the Terraform. So my use case regarding the setting up the Apache 2 server on the Azure with the help of Terraform. So my name is Rahul Patil from Mumbai. This demo is done to the job coaching. So my coach name is Shanti Kumar V, and the here is his LinkedIn profile ID, and here URL for that coaching. So our as I say, our agenda regarding the setting of the Apache 2 server on the Azure with the help of Terraform. So what is means Apache web server? It is one of the most widely used web server in the world. It is used to serve web pages application over the internet. It is open source and commonly useful for the hosting website and web application. So it is mostly handling secure connection HTTPS. So it is a most widely used server for web hosting. So uh, what what is the means you objective? So objective is that Azure architectures is a requirement is Azure architecture utilize Terraform to create Azure resource group and network, then deploy the virtual machine configuration with Apache HTTP server. They establish secure rules to allow HTTP and SSH traffic, ensuring seamless access. The server was successfully initialized with the Apache HTTP server installed and ready to for serve as a web content. So these are the objective. So for performing this use case to installing the Apache 2 server on the Azure, I give the one AI prompt uh, to give these steps or give the Terraform script. So now I copy this AI prompt and give to the AI tool. Now it will provide me a config script regarding the Terraform. So initially it provided a TF. In here in this file we set all the credentials, subscription, tenant ID, client secrets, all such stuffs we store or kept in this file. Then next uh, it give the HCL means main file. In this main file it present all the resources, means all the requirement, that is virtual machine, virtual network, Azure subnet, Azure network security group, then ports information, public IP, and the Azure network interface, and virtual machine name, locations, disks. All such things are now in it given in this script, and then we copy this script and run this script. So I here I show you that how this work, means code snippets, means Azure for Azure resource group for that particular use case. So initially we create Azure resource group, then we define the virtual network, then address space. After performing this, we go to the setting of the subnet in the virtual machine network, then define the public IP address, because we have to access with the public IPs. With the help of public IP address, we access the web page or identify or validate that our Apache server is installed or not. Then then later step code snippets regarding the defined network security groups with the other rules, means we have to establish the network security groups, then allow the port. In this particular process we allow SSH 22 and a port 80 for that particular process, because it is a web based server, so we have to allow the port 80 to secure the connection in the on the website. So this also we do in this. Then we define the network interface with the IP configuration resource, and after we set IP as a dynamic IP address, and after that then we define the virtual machine resources. Means we provide virtual machine name, resource, location, region, password, and we provide password and username. And we add OS disk configuration also. We here define which type of OS disk read write operation it can be performed on that particular disk. So all these things we are include in our Terraform script. And lastly, we take the which server we want to install. So in this particular case, we take Ubuntu for installing the Apache 2 on the Apache 2. Install the Apache 2 on the Ubuntu's. So and last, we get output in the public IP address. So we take this public IP address and check on the another web browser, so it install or not. So these are the flow for the that perform in the particular use case. So installing Apache server on the virtual Ubuntu virtual machine with the help of Terraform. So this it will be flow for this particular task. And this last PPT, last slide regarding this our coach, what they offer and their detailed information. Now we jump start with the demonstration how to start. So here in the see there is a Terraform folder in the name. There is a two file, main.tf and provider.tf. So I do dir. So you can say in that folder there is a two file, main.tf. In that main.tf I provide the all the information regarding the virtual network, resource group, virtual machine, public IP address. And provider.tf, in provider.tf I provide all the information regarding the my credential, means subscription ID. So you can say here. So this is a provider and this is a main tf. In that but this code I provide all the information regarding the now I show all the code snippets. So all these code snippets come from here itself, means this. So now I execute the command. So now initially I have to initiate the Terraform. It takes some time to initiate. So as here you can see, here is no virtual machine, so there is no record found here. So as if I go resource group, so there is no resource group here, you can see. Now Terraform initiation has been successfully initialized. Now I have to validate my code. Okay, so success means this configuration, that two file configuration is successfully means code are correct, so validation is confirmed. Now I have to plan, means in this plan, Terraform plan, it show that what resource we going to add in the our Azure cloud. So this, so all the resources, all the resources means what we are going to include in that deployment, installing the Apaches 2. So all these things are going to listed here. So yes, so here you say here is a plus 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 a sign. It says that what action it going to perform. So you see that here is Azure network interface, then Azure network interface security groups, it's say. Then here Azure public IP example, Azure resource group example, subnet, Azure virtual machine. So these are the stuffs. So total stuffs are eight things to be add in that particular process. So our plan is ready. There is no error. All it successfully run. So now we have to apply this change. Apply this uh, this means what we get output, so we have to apply. So so before applying, it asks for the confirmation yes or no. So we have to type yes. So all the activity described above as approve, and they are now install or follow the process. So I enter yes. So now installation start, means creation of all the virtual machine, IP address, VNet, subnet, IP address, disks. So all the configuration now start for creating, as you see. Executing the command. So all the apply completed, resource 8 hours added, 0 change, 0 destroy. So this is our IP address. We have to check. Copy.
Can you please copy here in the Skype? We'll test that. Ravi, you also test that. Copy into browser.
Yes, sir. Apache 2 Ubuntu default page is here.
Just we're testing 1 minute. Yeah, good. Apache 2 Ubuntu default page has come.
Yes.
It's good. Okay.
Yes.
That's all right now for this demo, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. But in the next demo onwards, you follow one methodology, like first you explain the manual process and set up the manual setup, show the web page example I'm saying, then later on follow this Terraform process also. It means
Okay.
you have to show two different URLs. URLs means two different web pages
Web
for
page.
the same task. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yes.
One is manual setup web page and another one is automation setup.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
Yes. Yeah.
Then it will show like you have learned the manual skills as well as the automation skills also, so that if any issue comes, you will be able to handle the issues correctly and completely. Okay, that
Yeah.
is a benefit. Right.
Yes.
I'll stop
Yes.
recording.